Hey guys, my name is Joseph and welcome back to the Joseph Official channel. I'll be starting off by taking down these braids. I've had them for about 3 weeks and it's about time I take them down. I was really shocked because I didn't notice any build up in my hair because I've had this style for a while. Although I did my best to maintain the braids, I was still surprised that I didn't have any build up at all. After taking down the braids, I'm just doing a quick length check, just to see how long my hair has gotten, and it has gotten well past my lips. Next, I'm going to be washing my hair. I'm using the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff shampoo. After rinsing out the shampoo from my hair, I put my hair into 4 sections to make the process easier. The next product I'm going to be using is the Mega Grow Deep Conditioner. I'll be using this to both moisturize and detangle my hair. I'm applying the product more to my ends to help with the tangles. Because of how tangled my hair is, I had to split this section into 2 and detangle them separately just to make the process easier. Next, I'll split the sections and put my hair into a twist. I find that this helps to make the products penetrate deeper, and it also helps to keep my hair detangled through the whole process. Okay guys, I'm done with the whole of my head and this is what it looks like. My hair already feels soft, although I'm still going to leave this, to be in my hair for about 20 minutes, but my hair already feels so soft guys. I'll be covering my hair with a shower cap and a bonnet just to allow the moisture penetrate deeper into my hair. I'll be leaving this in my hair for 20 minutes. After rinsing the deep conditioner out, the next step is styling. What I'll be using is a spray bottle with water, the Mega Growth Leave-In Straightener, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Yes guys, no jokes, I finally got this heavy growth product and I'm super excited to try it out. Lastly, I'll be using the Eco Styling Gel. For this routine, I'm going to be using the shingling method just to make my curls super defined. I'll be making a more in-depth video on the shingle method guys, so you guys don't have to worry about that. I'm done with this section of hair. I'll do the rest of camera and show you guys what it looks like.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, these are the final results and I'm super happy with these results. The combination of products really worked well and my curls look defined and moisturized. I'm really happy with the results. That's it for this video. Do want to leave a like and comment down below, and if you are new here, do also hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in other videos.